Three, two, one.
Research titles presented by Group 7.
So hello for all the viewers and all the listeners of this video. Today I will be presenting to you our first research title, which is Feminism in the Philippines. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna know what is this all about. So this study will revolve in feminism, which is about aiming for equality and inclusive society. So as I've said, this study will revolve about feminism and what do really feminism do. So the second object or goals we have in conducting this study is why do we need to conduct this study? So as me myself, I am a feminist, so I want other people to know about this because it's not just about fighting for women's rights. um, we want to educate and break the stereotype. So number 3 is benefits. What is the benefits of this study? This study will benefit us by helping people learn to be open-minded, to learn new things, because if you don't support something, you should learn to respect it as a human. Although you don't support it, you should know how to respect it. And I want my research and my team's research to send that message to other people. So good day, everyone.
Perception of Dr. P. Ocampo Colleges Incorporated Senior High School STEM students towards the rising cases of COVID-19 in Cotabato City. COVID-19 became a hot topic when the virus spread in the world causing worldwide pandemic, affecting so many lives. Thus, this title research is to conceptualize to know the perception of STEM students on the rising cases of COVID-19 on Cotabato City. It is also aimed to know the effect of COVID-19 on education and economy. So we choose this title because we want to know what are the possible effects of disease that have been felt all over the world, especially in Cotabato City. We also choose this title because we want to gain more knowledge or idea. We want to explore ourselves in finding data or resources. We want to know what are the opinion or others about our title. And we also want to know and seek answer on what are the level awareness of students in raising cases of COVID-19 in Cotabato City and the level compliance among Cotabateños to implementation of health protocols.
Hello, my name is Shairai Abubakar from grade 12 STEM. So for today, I will be representing our number 3 research entitled as The Effect of Student Tardiness on Teaching and Learning at Dr. P. Ocampo Colleges Incorporated Senior High School STEM Student. Tardiness is one of the habits of every Filipino. It has been part of our culture and we call it a Filipino time. Focusing on the student, many of them seem to practice and accept it. However, what students don't realize that this habit can affect the teaching and learning. Why did we choose this research title? We choose this title because we want to understand the factors that influence tardiness among students. We want to examine the effect and causes of tardiness. And we want to know and seek answer on how this behavior affects the teaching and the process. Why is there a need for our research title to be studied? There are still need for our research title to be studied because there are still students don't know that coming late to class not only affect the time slot but also affect the other students and lecturers. When the lecturer is in the middle of a sentence, perhaps sharing a valuable point, they will be interrupted or disrupted by the student coming late into class. What is the purpose of our study? The purpose of this study is to find out what causes students to come late and the effect late coming has on the learning and the teaching process, and to lessen the number of latecomers so that more time will be saved and more lessons will be discussed. This is why conducting this research is not only knowing the perspective of our fellow students, but also giving awareness to ourselves in terms of hardship that we are facing because not every student have the same level of learning capability.